Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I'm making these beautiful Italian style chicken cutlets. Let's do it. Right here I have 4 chicken breasts they're pretty thick. It was 2 chicken breasts cut in half. Right here I have panko breadcrumbs. This is 1.5 cups, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to season my flour with a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasonings, and a 1/4 teaspoon of a chicken seasoning. Okay, so I'm going to add that. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm adding that to the eggs. And this is paprika, Italian seasonings, and chicken seasoning. I'm adding that here. So now I'm just going to mix everything together. I have a hot skillet. This is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dredge my chicken, taking off the excess, adding it to the egg, making sure it's all wet, shaking off the excess, putting it in my panko breadcrumbs. Then I'm adding it to my skillet. And now I'm going to add my chicken breast. You might need a little extra oil, just as needed. I flipped them over and look how beautifully brown they are. Just make sure the internal temperature is 165. If you get those chicken cutlets that are at the market that are really, really thin, it's only going to take you a few minutes to cook these. Maybe about 4 to 5 minutes at the most. So I'm cooking these and I'm going to check them with my thermometer. Now I am cooking this on a medium heat. And these are my Italian chicken cutlets. I just got a big thumbs up from my son who's digging into one of them. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.